Self-acceptance is the key to abundance, and you could accomplish both today. It is Monday, May the 18th, and I received that message a couple of years ago, but I couldn't really accept myself then because I didn't understand who I was and what I had, and I couldn't have told you then, but I can today. Over the weekend, I was even shown so much more of how much I was given, that you could become successful and have everything you want and become abundant, and that I do know. 37 years of receiving information, guidance, universal intelligence, universal consciousness from the quantum field that turned into the most transformative personal development, self-actualization system ever seen. I'm now calling it the genius path to success. Because see, what I also discovered was that I was a savant, and that's why I was able to receive this information. That's why I was able to heal everything in my life. That's why I'm 75 years old and going in a completely different direction than should have been seen. That is something that has never been seen in our world. And last night I had to struggle with, how do I tell the world that I downloaded the order of the universe and your place in it? And I did. There was denial that I had also, but I'm changing that today. And I told everyone I was going to be changing today. I'm doing one other thing though. I didn't know this before last night, but I just had to keep going. And I know you can become who you're supposed to be. I know you're supposed to be successful, and it only requires you moving through the blockages and causing yourself to love who you are and do what you came to the world to do. And that's what I was given. I was going to close off everything because I know that this program should be $5,000 today, but I'm giving you this opportunity to come in at a very special rate, and it's only going to be for 5 people because I want you to show what can happen. I didn't believe it myself, but now you'll be able to prove it. And this is when I said last week, you will now know if you really want to become successful in your life, because I was given that information, and that was the life that I lived. I thought I was going to be something completely different, and I end up with this transformative work that will take any person to the success they're supposed to experience. Check out the work. You'll see for yourself, but there's only going to be for a few people, and then it's going to go to the rate it should be, because this work will give you everything you've ever wanted in your life, because it's within you. And I lived a life all these years developing a way for you to get there. I'll see you soon.